This tutorial will show you how to configure your April Brothers BLE Gateway version 4 to forward data to uBeac's hook. First, connect your April Brothers gateway to your network using an Ethernet cable. Next, power on your device by connecting your gateway to your laptop or PC with a USB-A cable. Then, in your web browser, go to the download page for the April Brothers Gateway configuration tool and click the link. Install the application after downloading the file. For this tutorial, we have already done that, so we won't wait for the download to complete. First, go to your web browser and navigate to hook.ubeac.io. Then, click on Create Endpoint button and copy your unique hook URL to your clipboard. Now, open the configuration tool for the gateway. At the top of your screen, click on the Reload button and wait for a quick second. Then, click on Find Gateways drop-down and select your gateway from the list. Navigate to Network menu option at the top of your screen and type in your Wi-Fi name and then password. Now make sure the DHCP option is set to Enabled. Click Save. Confirm the pop-up message and navigate to Application menu on the top. In this section, ensure HTTP client is selected as the connection type. In the host field, enter hook.ubeac.io. Then, ensure that the port is set to 80. Now, in the URL field, you will need to paste your unique hook key. Set the request interval period to a valid number. For this tutorial, I will select 1 second. In the Advertising filter drop-down, verify that Allow all advertising data is selected. Click Save and confirm the pop-up again. You are now done with the configuration of your gateway. You can go back to the Hook website and see the data streaming in. Expand your data by clicking on each post in the left panel of your page. You can also export all your data in a CSV file. Thank you for watching.